If you have seen the first and second part of the video, then you must have known what's a multiple angle and what's its formula. If not, pause the video, go back and watch the first video and the second part, because morning shows the day and beginning shows the end. Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy.
SK sir on the lead. Let's ride.
In today's video, I am going to explain some questions related to the multiple angle. So the first question that we have here, if sin A equals to 5 by 13, find the value of sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A and cot 2A. So to do this question, first of all, we have sin A equals to 5 by 13. Alright. To find the value of sin 2A, we need sin and cos both, because sin 2A equals to 2 sin A dot cos A. So from sin A, how to get the value of cos A? Here, cos A equals to under root 1 minus sin square A. And 1 minus value of sin A we have 5 over 13, its whole square. That is 1 minus 25 by 169. That gives us 169 minus 25 over 25, 169. And that is under root 144 over 169. And that is 12 by 13. So now we have the values of sin A as well as cos A. Then we can easily find out the value of sin 2A. Now, sin 2A equals to 2 sin A dot cos A. Here 2, value of sin A we have 5 upon 13. So we can write here 5 over 13 into cos A. Recently we have found the value of cos A equals to 12 over 13. Now 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 12, 120. 13 to 13, 169. So that's the value of sin 2A. That's the answer. To find the value of cos 2A. Cos 2A depends on sin, cos 2A depends on cos 2A depends on tan and cot as well. So to find the value of cos 2A, we need only one trigonometric ratio. As we have both sin and cos A here, but in the question we have sin A, right? So why not we can apply the formula, again, cos 2A equals to, let's write the formula of cos 2A in the term of sin. That is 1 minus 2 sin square A. That is 1 minus 2 and sin A 5 by 13. So you can write here 5 over 13 and its whole square. After that 1 minus 2 into 25 over 169, right? That gives us 1 minus 50 over 169, isn't it? After that, here 169 minus 50 over 169, isn't it? And 169 minus 50, we are going to subtract it, right? So that's 190 over 169. That's the answer. It's the value of cos 2A, right? And after that, we have to find out the value of tan 2A as well, isn't it? So to find the value of tan A, we have so many ways. The first way, we can find the value of tan A by doing sin by cos. Then we can write the formula of tan 2A, that's 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Then we can put the value of tan A and we can simplify and we can easily get the value of tan 2A. But under this condition, the value of tan A can be found out by doing sin 2A by cos 2A. That's the value of tan 2A, isn't it? So we can write here, have a look here, tan 2A. Tan 2A equals to sin 2A over cos 2A, isn't it? Sin 2A, that's 120 by 169 and cos 2A equals to 119 over 169. So let's put the value. So sine 2a, we have 120 over 169, and here value of cos 2a, we have 119 by 169. Now 169 can be cancelled, and we have here 120 over 119. That's the value of tan 2a, isn't it? If cot 2 is asking, here is cot 2 is also asking, right? I'm just going to show you, here cot 2 is also asking, right? So cot 2a also you can find by so many ways. That's finding cos a by sin a, and then that will be cot a, and writing the formula of cot 2a, isn't it? What's the formula of cot 2a? Cot square a minus 1 over 2 cot a. Just you can put the value of cot a and you can simplify, and you can easily get the value of cot 2a. But under this condition, if you have cot 2a, then you can do 1 by tan 2a. You can easily get the value of cot 2a here also, isn't it? Cot 2a equals to 1 over tan 2a, and that is 1 over 120 by 119. That's 119 over 120, isn't it? Or you can do cos 2a over sin 2a also, doesn't matter. So you can find cot 2a by so many ways. Second question we have, if cos a equals to 3 by 5, find the value of cos 2a, cos 3a, sin 3a, and tan 3a. So how to do this question? We know that cos 2a depends on cos a itself, isn't it? So no need to find the value of sin a here. So we can directly write the formula of cos 2a, right? First of all, you have to write we have cos a equals to this much, isn't it? So here cos a equals to 3 by 5, isn't it? So therefore cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. That's the formula of cos 2a in the term of cos. Now just put the value, cos a equals to 3 by 5, so we can write here 3 by 5 and its whole square minus 1. That is 2 into 9 by 25. That's minus 1, isn't it? And that is 18 by 25 minus 1. Then that gives us 18 minus 25 over 25, isn't it? And 18 minus 25, that's we cannot subtract, isn't it? Because 25 is bigger than 18, so the value will be negative here, right? And then we'll have here minus 7 over 25. That's the answer, and that's the value of cos 2a. Likewise, how to get the value of cos 3a, isn't it? So to get the value of cos 3a here, have a look, cos 3a. The formula of cos 3a we have 4 cos qa minus 1. Sorry, there's a minus 3 cos a. Isn't that the formula of cos 3a, right? Now we are going to put the value of cos a, that's a 3 by 5, so we can write here 3, 4, and that is 3 by 5 and to the power 3 minus 3, and there's a 3 by 5, right? Now that is 4 and 3 to the power 3, that's 3 into 3 into 3, that gives us 27. And similarly 5 into 5 into 5, that gives us 125 minus 3 to the 9 over 5, right? And that is our 27 into 4. Yeah, we can find the product of 27 and 4, that is 108 over 125 minus 9 by 5. Here LCM of 125 and 5 is 125, and we can write here 108 minus 125 divided by 5 is 125, right? And 125 into 9, just we have to go to multiply that, okay? That is 225, isn't it? And here actually 108 and 225, we are going to subtract it, isn't it? So let's subtract, just we can do rough here also, doesn't matter. Here 225 and that's 108, isn't it? So there's just 7, it's 1, that's 170, and that gives us here minus 117 over 125, right? So value of cos 3 is negative. That's answer, isn't it? Sin 3 is also asking, isn't it? So to find the value of sine 3a, we need sine, right? So from the value of cos, we can easily get the value of sine, isn't it? So let's get the value of sine first of all, yes, right? So here, sine a equals to under root 1 minus cos square a, that is 1 minus 3 by 5 and its whole square, that is 1 minus 9 over 25, and that is 25 minus 9 over 25, that is 16 by 25, and square root of 16 is 4 and that of 25 is 5, so we can write it 4 by 5, isn't it? So that's the value of sine a. But we have to find out the value of sine 3a, isn't it? So how to get the value of sine 3a? Have a look here. Right? So sine 3a. Sine 3a equals to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Just put the value of sine a. That's 4 by 5. That is 3, 4 by 5 minus 4 and 4 by 5, and that's power 3. Here that's a 12 over 5 minus 4 into 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64, so 64 over 125. Let's multiply it, so we can write here 12 over 5, right, minus 64 into 4, that's 256, isn't it? Because 4 for the 16, we can write 16, okay, and 4 into 6 is 24, 1 is 25, so you can write here 256 over 125, isn't it? After that, take LCM. LCM is 125, right, and 125 minus 5, right, 125 divided by 5 is 25, 25 into 12, isn't it? 25 into 12 means what? 25 into 10 is 250 plus 50, that's 300. That's 300, right? Minus 256. Correct? Are you getting me? Now, just we are going to subtract 256 from 300. So that is equal to here 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 5, that's 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So that's 44 over 125. So that's the answer. So that's the value of sine 3. After that, if you are going to find out the value of tan 3a, isn't it? Just you can find the value of tan 3a by two ways. The first, you can find the value of tan a, sine a over cos a, right? Then you can apply the formula of tan 3a and put the value of tan and go on simplifying, you will get the answer. But under this condition, just you can do tan 3 equals to here tan 3a equals to sine 3a over cos 3a, and sine 3a recently we have got, that is 44 over 125, and that of the value of cos 3a, isn't it? Have a look here, that's the value of cos 3a. Yes, we have already got here minus 117 over 125, so we can write here minus 117 over 125. And now we can cut it, 125 and 125 can be cancelled, and remaining we'll have here minus 44 over 117, right? That's our answer, isn't it? That's the value of tan 3a. If the value of cot 3 is asking, here is cot 3 is also asking, yes, you can see that here in the question, we have the question, no, cot 3 is not asking, right? So, but if the question is find the value of cot 3a, so you can find the value of cot 3a by so many ways, The first, you can find the value of cot a doing cos a by sine a, then write the formula of cot 3a and put the value of cot and go on simplifying, you will get the answer. And the second one is that you can do cos 3a over sine 3a, put the value of cos 3a and sine 3a, you can get the simplification. But under this condition, cot 3a equals to, you can write here 1 over tan 3a, isn't it? That's 1 over 44 over 117, that's negative, right? And that gives us negative, right? 117 over 45, that's the value of cot 3. But cot 3 is not asking in the question, so no need to do this work, right? But just only I have shown you for the more knowledge. Now, Third question is, if sin A equals to 1 by 2 p plus 1 by p, prove that cos 2A equals to minus 1 by 2 times p square plus 1 by p square, and sin 3 equals to minus 1 by 2 pq plus 1 by pq. So to do this question, sin A is given, right? And cos 2A equals to something, we have to prove that. So we have to write the formula of cos 2A in the term of time, in the term of sin, right? So first of all, we have to write here, we have sin A equals to 1 by 2 p plus 1 by p, right? Therefore, cos 2A, just write the formula of cos 2A in the term of sin, right? So that is 1 minus 2 sin square A. Then put the value here, 1 minus 2, and value of sine we have here 1 by 2 times p plus 1 by p, curly bracket, and its whole square, isn't it? After that, here is 1 minus 2, and square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, and here a plus b whole square, isn't it? So we can write here a square plus 2ab plus 1 by b square, isn't it? So at the place of a we have b, and at the place of b we have 1 by p, right? And now here we have here 1 minus, that gives us 1 by 2, and here you can see this p and p cancelled, and the remaining we have here p square plus 2 plus 1 by p square, right? And now just I'm going to open the bracket by minus 1 by 2, that is 1 minus here p square over 2 plus minus 2 times 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2p square, isn't it? And after that, this 2 and 2 also will be cancelled. Now another is that 1 minus p square by 2 minus 1 by 2p square, right? And this plus 1 and minus 1 again cancelled, and the remaining we have here minus p square by 2 and minus 1 by 2p square. So from these two I'm just going to take 1 by 2 common, and the remaining we will have here, there is a p square and plus 1 by p square, isn't it? So that's the value of cos 2A, isn't it? And that much we have to prove, so we can write here at last is equal to right hand side, and that's proved, isn't it? Okay, the next we have here, we have to prove that b equals to sin A, in b sin A equals to minus 1 by 2 times pq plus 1 by pq, isn't it? So how to get that value? So we are going to put the value of sin 3A, isn't it? So again here sin 3A equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA, right? And there's a 3, and value of sine we have here 1 by 2 times p plus 1 by p, right? And there's a minus 4, again 1 by 2 times p plus 1 by p, and its power is 3, right? Now just I'm going to simplify it, isn't it? So let's see the simplification here. So that is 3 by 2, and here is p plus 1 by p, right? And there is a 4 and 1 by 2 power cube, that gives us 1 by 8, and here a plus b whole cube formula, just I'm going to apply, isn't it? So that's our a cube plus 3 a square into b plus 3 a and b square plus b cube, isn't it? P is at the place of a and 1 by p is at the place of b. Just I applied the formula a plus b whole cube. All of you know this formula, right? And now here is 3 by 2, and here is a p plus 1 by p, right? And it gives us 1 by 2 because 4 to the 8, and here 1p cancelled, and here also 1p will be cancelled. So remaining we'll have here p cube plus there is 3p only, right? And plus we can write here 3 over p and plus 1 by p cube. Now I'm just going to open the bracket. So that gives us here 3p by 2 plus 3 over 2p here minus pq by 2, right? Plus minus minus 3p over 2 here again plus minus minus 3 over 2p. Here minus plus minus, we can write here 1 by 2p cube. Again you can see 3 over 2p and 3 over 2p. Okay, here plus and minus will be cancelled, and here also this also will be cancelled, isn't plus and minus, and then remaining we will have here this part and that part, isn't it? So we are going to take minus 1 by 2 common, right? And then we have here p cube plus 1 by p cube, isn't it? And see carefully here, sin 3 equals to minus 1 by 2 times p cube plus 1 by p cube. So that's our right hand side, and that's proved.
Digits orbit under our command. SK guides with a steady hand. From fractions deep to intrepid.